Hi, I am JINDAL Ultra-low temperature deep freezer. For the minute you place the samples in my chamber, think that I'm just another ultra-low temperature freezer. Well, think again. The precious lives of your samples are in my hands. A poorly designed freezer will literally make lot of noise while you need peace and quiet to work at your bench, and also cost you higher electricity bills. Unexpected breakdowns can ruin your samples and will come with frequent knocks on the door from the services companies. You will also not able to get dedicated support when you will need it the most. It should keep cold well. So, here is my take on how to choose an ergonomic designed freezer for your samples from a freezer's perspective. An ultra-low temperature freezer's sole responsibility is to keep the precious samples frozen and -86 degrees Celsius. You can spot a good freezer when you notice the following. 1. The freezer retains the temperature for a longer time when power is cut. A new ergo freezer design like me could easily buy you twice the time compared to the average performer. 2. Samples stored in all corners are equally cold. You wouldn't want to have your samples on the top shelves to be 10 degrees warmer than your bottom shelf. The good temperature uniformity could mean a lot to your sample preservation. A winter freezer's uniformity profile should be like mine below, with a difference of less than ±4 degrees from the set temperature. 3. The chamber temperature recovers quickly after you open and close the door thanks to my powerful high displacement compressors. I could pull down the temperature in just a few minutes. Reliable. As a freezer, it should have gone through numerous reliability tests during the design phase, and it should withstand the test of time. All the major components have been stress tested and thoughtfully chosen to withstand heavy use in extreme conditions. I have also been independently tested by a third-party test lab for verification. So, when you are selecting a freezer, ask for the test reports to prove it. 14. JINDAL ULT deep freezer units maintained a temperature -80 degrees Celsius for more than 6 months in a hot room. 43 degree and 90% relatively humid. I have also passed the packaging reliability test. I am cost effective for your lab. Watch out for hidden costs. A good freezer may or may not cost you much. Ask for the power consumption compared to an regular freezer. Due to latest ergo design, I use less than half of the electrical energy. Check the heat emission to ambient. A better designed freezer like me releases less heat to the lab, and will save you a substantial amount on your air conditioning bills. Purchasing a JINDAL freezer like me could actually make you money by saving it. Save the Earth. I use ozone-friendly CFC and HCFC-free refrigerants, and by being more energy efficient, I'm also reducing the carbon footprint and contributing to the green movement. When seen cumulative, an environmentally unfriendly freezer is a huge burden on our Mother Earth. Low noise. Low noise is the supreme requirement in a quiet lab environment, which is very much needed for focus. If you are placing the freezer in your lab and not in isolated room, choose a freezer with a low noise level. I have a noise level and is approximately 59 dBA, which guarantees a pleasant lab working environment. Maintain the low noise level by cleaning the condensers at the bottom periodically. Fast and convenient. Don't be frustrated that you have to wait for 10 minutes to open that freezer door again. Now you can reopen the JINDAL ULT deep freezer door in under 1 minute. I'm proud to be a JINDAL ULT deep freezer. Want to know more about me? Visit my websites given on the screen.